So it's obviously not like a massive, 4-hour long in-depth tutorial. It's a 7-minute video, and he potentially made $11,000 just from Listen, you guys know that I'm a man of the people, and when the people ask me for something, I deliver. And so in this video, we are going to be talking about, yet again, another incredible way that you can make money with zero money to start from anywhere in the world. If you're new to the channel, welcome to the Strongest Family on YouTube. And if you like money, make sure you smash that little like button and the subscribe button and turn on notification bells. I'll tell you why later, but we do have a fun surprise. So in this video, we're gonna be talking about how to leverage mainstream media, how to leverage other incredible marketers for yourself to be able to claim your piece of the pie completely for free, right? Because the thing is, there's mainstream media and there's things that everyone's heard of. Everyone's heard of Amazon, everyone's heard of Shopify, and that's why those things work so well for so many people. And the reason everyone's heard about those things is because they're billion-dollar companies and they're spending millions and millions and millions of dollars every single month to continue to put the word out and market. And what we're going to talk about in this video is how you can ride the wave of those billion-dollar, or multi-million or $100 million companies to be able to claim your piece of the pie without having to spend millions of dollars on advertising every single month. All right, guys, so the first thing that we are going to talk about is actually ClickFunnels. A lot of you have probably heard about ClickFunnels, but not maybe everybody has heard about their affiliate program. I would guess, right? I don't own ClickFunnels, unfortunately, but I would guess that ClickFunnels is paying out millions and millions of dollars every single month in affiliate commissions. It's one of the reasons that they've been able to grow from zero to, significantly over $100 million in valuation. I heard recently they were valued at over $500 million. It's one of the reasons that they're able to grow so fast because, like I say all the time, when you add value to thousands of people, that is how you get wealthy the fastest, which is why, ClickFunnels has been able to do that because they're making other people rich with their affiliate program. So what exactly are we talking about? You can see that, we made $250, $300, $275, $150, right? I don't know what happened this day, $161, $155. So every single day we're making money through the affiliate program with literally no work. You can see that they've paid us, over $86,000 just in affiliate commissions completely passively. But how do you actually capture this for yourself? Well, one of the things that people don't realize about ClickFunnels is you can earn money from ClickFunnels in a variety of different ways. It's not just, having people sign up through your affiliate account and actually pay for ClickFunnels, the software. ClickFunnels is a massive marketing company. That's why they've been able to have so much success so quickly because they're really good at getting people involved and they're really good at making, very enticing, high converting offers, which actually indoctrinates people into the ClickFunnels platform itself. And so if we actually scroll down a little bit, we're gonna see that ClickFunnels has many different products. So you can see that the ClickFunnels homepage, .com Secrets book, Expert Secrets, right? All of these different books and offers and all of these things. And so, we could talk about a bunch of different things, but the thing I wanna focus on today is actually called the One Funnel Away Challenge, right? 10x Closing Secrets is another really good one. Basically what that was when Russell Brunson got, so much notoriety and fame from, making $3 million for ClickFunnels in 90 minutes at Grant Cardone's event. They made a course about it called 10x Closing Secrets, right? Which is amazing. But 10x Closing Secrets is not as interesting as the One Funnel Away Challenge, which, I'm just now going to start to actually promote myself because it's an incredible offer. And so let's actually look at exactly how this works and, most importantly, how you can actually make money doing this. So you can see your potential earnings, $100 CPA for every person who enrolls in the One Funnel Away Challenge after registering for the free 30-day summit. That means we're offering you 100% of the revenue when people upgrade to the challenge after registering. The summit is totally free and we'll sticky cookie the registrant to your link, right? So basically all you have to do is drive people to the free 30-day summit, and they give you everything that you possibly need. They make it seriously so ridiculously easy for you to do this. And the 30-day challenge is basically, the premise is this. If you, and they interview a bunch of millionaires and multimillionaires, and they ask them, if you had to start over, right, from scratch, what would you do and how would you start over, right? This is actually a very incredible product. Like, I'm not just saying that because I want to sell it to you or anything like that, but this is actually a very incredible product. Like, we can see, you know, a lot of people you might recognize, Entrepreneur on Fire, Garrett J. White, a lot of different people here. But basically what this is it teaches you what you would do if you'd start over as a millionaire to become a millionaire again, right? So they give you all these different images and things that you can actually do. They give you sample subject lines if you have an email list at all. They give you example bodies. They do all of this stuff that you can literally basically just copy and paste. And so they give you your affiliate link right here. So if we actually look at what this looks like, if you were to send this to, you know, other people or something like that, so you suddenly lose everything. What would you do from day 1 to day 30 to save yourself? And again, this landing page, 30days.com, is set up like in a genius way by master multi-millionaire marketers. It's not some like random product that doesn't convert, right? It's actually a very good deal as well. All you have to do is get a free ticket to the free summit. And then once you do that, right, these people are going to be converted because, again, Russell Brunson is one of the kings of webinars. He's incredibly good at getting people to actually buy the things that he offers and makes it a complete no-brainer. And so all you have to do is actually get people to watch this. And so if you're thinking to yourself, okay, Kevin, that's awesome, but how the heck do I actually get people to sign up to this thing? Well, there's a bunch of different ways that you can do this, right? The easiest way is twofold. The first way we're gonna talk about is actually inside of the ClickFunnels official group, which is, you know, over 208,000 people who've already expressed that they're interested in ClickFunnels. And if we come in here and we type in one funnel away, right, we're gonna see a bunch of different posts about this, 34 comments, right, 86 comments, 9 comments, 227 comments, right? And you don't wanna just go into ClickFunnels and spam your affiliate link, right? You never wanna post your affiliate link in the actual group because, you know, you don't wanna be disrespectful to ClickFunnels or anything like that, but some people might be asking about your opinion or they have a question about the one funnel away challenge, right? And you can send them a message and you can explain, you know, how the one funnel away challenge works, how the 30-day summit works. Some people are confused about the difference between the 30-day summit and the one funnel away challenge, right? There's all these different things that you can just be helpful, respond to comments, look for one funnel away, right? A lot of people also call it OFA, right? You can see 105 comments, 60 comments, 171 comments. If you message every single one of those people and were super helpful, like asked if they had any questions about making money online or the one funnel away challenge, or, you know, how they qualify to enter, what people's opinions are about it, right? All these people want to know if it's worth their money. They want a review, right? And so that's the one amazing way to do it. Again, don't be spammy, don't post your link because you will get banned and it's just not a good look to do that anyway. So just be super helpful in there, respond to people who are genuinely asking questions, being helpful, and you will be able to make sales through your affiliate link. And the second way is actually probably the best way you can possibly affiliate market products, which we will get to in just 1 second. But I do want to give a huge shout out to our daily comment winner, Gaming with Jeff, who says, hey Kevin, how do I create an affiliate link? Well, the way that you create an affiliate link differs depending on the software. Generally, you would log in with a username and password depending on what the software is, and then you basically navigate to where they actually offer your affiliate link. Generally, your affiliate link will be the URL of the product or service that you're actually affiliating for, and then in the URL, you're actually going to have a little equals affiliate ID, right? So if we look right here in my actual URL, it says CF affiliate ID equals, and then has a number, right? That's my actual affiliate ID. That number signifies that it is going to actually be credited to my affiliate account and I am going to get paid for it. So again, shout out to Gaming with Jeff. And if you wanna be our next daily comment winner, all you have to do is 2 simple things. Like this video and make sure you subscribe and turn on the notification bells. Why? Because we always choose our daily comment winner from people who comment in the first 60 seconds. And so if you don't have the notification bells on, you're never going to get the shout out on the channel. And so strategy number 2, and the best way to affiliate market completely for free from anywhere in the world, is using, of course, what you're watching right now, which is YouTube. If we go into YouTube and we type one funnel away challenge, you can see that there's things with 7.9 thousand views, 7.7 thousand, 1.9 thousand, 11,000, right? And if we take our calculator really quick, we showed you that you get $100 per sale. So let's say that 1% of that 11,000 people actually converts, right? So 11,000, and then we'll do times 0.01 0.001. So let's say that 1% of them converts. $110 times 100 is $11,000 that the digital millionaire might have made from that single video. And all he's doing is one funnel away challenge, review, and inside look, plus free bonuses, right? So you don't have to reinvent the wheel here. You can literally see in the actual description, he has his ClickFunnels affiliate right here, right? You can literally see the number right here. So this is a guy who's using the strategy that I'm telling you right now, and he made $11,000. I literally just showed you proof from one video that was completely free. Literally all he had to do was create a review of the one funnel away challenge. And if we actually look through this, right, I guarantee that so he's just showing the actual 30-day challenge. He's not going too in depth. The whole video is 7 minutes and 33 seconds. So it's obviously not like a massive, 4-hour long in-depth tutorial. It's a 7-minute video, and he potentially made $11,000 just from that. And so to summarize, guys, literally all we're doing is we are riding the momentum of these massive companies spending millions of dollars. ClickFunnels does it, right? ClickBank, these huge launch websites, all of these massive launches from course creators and influencers and people with massive followings. All you have to do is create a review, go in depth, talk about, the review of the people launching it, of ClickFunnels in general, of the result, of the people actually involved in the one funnel away challenge. And the best way to do this is just to subscribe, join the ClickFunnels group, do things like that. And if you want to learn more about the actual one funnel away challenge yourself, it is an incredible program. Again, it's going to be an affiliate link. I'm not trying to hide it or anything like that, but I honestly genuinely do think that it is more than worth $100 to learn what 30 different multimillionaires would do if they started over. So if you're interested, that link will be right here. And if you want to learn another way that you can make big money in one day, right, not just these small affiliate commissions, but big money, check out this video right here where we teach you how to make big money in one day, again, completely for free from anywhere in the world. See you there. We're not talking about
small money anymore. We're talking about
big money, and I don't know about you,
but I'm sick and tired of seeing these YouTube videos teaching you how to make 2 cents per hour, $1 per hour, doing data entry with Mechanical Turk.